his pillow.
Cooper doesn't use a pillow.
He does a blanket.
He uses his blanket. You guys having fun with Cooper?
Yeah.
You guys want to sing a song to Cooper?
He just loves me. This I know, for the Bible has me so. Little one to heavy one. They are weak, but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.
Very nice, Eddie. Good job. Good job. Marshall, do you want to sing Cooper a song?
No.
No? All right.